Welcome to this session by pro-legal minds on Non-Joinder and Misjoinder of Parties, a key procedural aspect of civil litigation under the Code of Civil Procedure, 1908. This topic explores the challenges that arise when necessary parties are omitted or irrelevant parties are included in a suit. Non-joinder involves the absence of essential parties whose presence is crucial for an effective decree, while misjoinder pertains to the inclusion of unrelated parties that complicate proceedings. Governed by Order 1, Rules 9 and 10, these provisions empower courts to rectify such defects to ensure fair and efficient adjudication. Let's delve into the details to better understand their significance and impact on litigation. Non-Joinder and Misjoinder of Parties. Non-joinder refers to the omission of a necessary or proper party in a suit. A necessary party is one whose presence is essential for the court to pass an effective decree, and without whom the matter cannot be fully adjudicated. A proper party is one whose inclusion facilitates a more comprehensive decision, but whose absence does not invalidate the suit. Misjoinder occurs when parties who are not relevant to the subject matter of the dispute are improperly joined in the suit. Such inclusion can complicate litigation but does not ordinarily affect the validity of the suit. Both issues are governed by Order 1, Rules 9 and 10 of the Code of Civil Procedure, CPC, 1908. Non-joinder and misjoinder. The issues of non-joinder and misjoinder arise due to procedural defects in including parties in a suit. These defects affect the proper adjudication of the case but can often be corrected during the course of the proceedings. A. Non-joinder. Necessary party. A party whose presence is indispensable for the court to pass an effective decree. For instance, in a partnership dispute, all partners must be joined as parties to the suit. Proper party. A party who is not essential for passing a decree but whose inclusion aids in complete adjudication. B. Misjoinder. Misjoinder refers to joining parties who have no connection to the dispute. For example, adding a third party in a breach of contract case between two individuals. 3. Detailed explanation including relevant CPC sections. Key provisions of the CPC. 1. Order 1, Rule 9. A suit shall not fail due to non-joinder or misjoinder of parties, except where the non-joinder involves a necessary party. The court retains the power to pass a decree if all necessary parties are present. 2. Order 1, Rule 10 of 2. The court has the authority to add necessary or proper parties to the suit at any stage. Strike out irrelevant or misjoined parties. This ensures that the suit addresses all relevant issues and involves only the appropriate parties. 3. Section 99 of the CPC. No decree shall be reversed or substantially affected due to non-joinder or misjoinder of parties unless such defect has caused a failure of justice. Impact of non-joinder and misjoinder. Non-joinder of necessary parties. The court may dismiss the suit or pass an ineffective decree. Non-joinder of proper parties. The suit may proceed, but the decision may not address all aspects of the dispute. Misjoinder. The court may strike out irrelevant parties without affecting the validity of the proceedings. 4. Examples. 1. Non-joinder. A files a suit for partition of family property but fails to include all co-owners. This non-joinder of necessary parties could render the decree unenforceable. 2. Misjoinder. X sues wife for breach of contract and adds Z, who has no relation to the contract. This inclusion constitutes misjoinder and can lead to procedural complications. 3. Court's intervention. In a tenancy dispute, if the landlord is not joined as a party, non-joinder, the court can order their inclusion under Order 1, Rule 10 of 2. 5. Reference case laws. 1. Razia Begum vs. Sahibzadi Anwar Begum, 1959. The Supreme Court clarified that necessary parties are those without whom the court cannot adjudicate the dispute effectively. 2. Kiran Tandon vs. Allahabad Development Authority, 2004. This case emphasized that failure to join necessary parties can render a decree ineffective, especially in cases involving third-party rights. 3. Mumbai International Airport Private Limited vs. Regency Convention Centre, 2010. The court highlighted that non-joinder or misjoinder does not invalidate a suit unless it causes a failure of justice. 6. Conclusion. Non-joinder and misjoinder of parties are procedural issues that can impact the effectiveness of a suit. While non-joinder of a necessary party can lead to dismissal or an incomplete decree, misjoinder generally results in procedural inefficiencies. Order 1. Rules 9 and 10 of the CPC empower courts to rectify these defects by adding or removing parties to ensure fair and complete adjudication. These provisions underscore the importance of including all relevant parties while avoiding unnecessary complications in litigation. Thank you for watching this session by Pro Legal Minds. We hope you found the content insightful and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable legal insights and updates. youtube.com/prolegalminds. If you have any legal questions or need assistance, visit us at prolegalminds.com to connect with our expert team. We're here to help you navigate the complexities of the law with confidence. Stay informed. Stay empowered. See you in the next session.